Hi, I'm Michael Skay. I'm a broker associate with Ward White Sotheby's International Realty in Spring Lake, New Jersey. Today, I'm coming to you from our newest listing. It's at 111 Remsen Mill Road in the township of Neptune. It's in the old Corley's neighborhood. It's a quiet little hamlet. Really beautiful. This home is 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, set on almost 1/2 acre. It's a gorgeous lot. The renovations inside are really impressive as well. Let's take a look at the kitchen. The enhancements and renovations were undertaken about 5 or 6 years or so ago throughout the entire home. Here we're in the kitchen. You can see there's granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a really large island for the family to gather around, hardwood flooring throughout the home, and outdoors is really special. Let's take a look at the yard. This truly is an outdoor oasis. There's a large deck for entertaining your family and friends. Gorgeous landscaping, it's so mature. And guess what? There's a pool. Come take a look. I can be reached at 732-272-5898. Thanks so much.